Hi friends, welcome to 808 Fall Rock Branch Court in Conroe. This house is amazing on a cul-de-sac lot with its own nature reserve just nearby. This kitchen has modern elegance with gas stove, large island for entertaining. Just imagine all your guests here serving and being able to see everyone all around to this open concept living. Come check it out. Looking for a mother-in-law plan? Downstairs, this is the perfect house. With 5 bedrooms, you have your own private bedroom with a bathroom nearby that can be great for a mother-in-law or a private office. This spacious primary retreat has plantation shutters, a view of the private backyard. But my favorite part about this, come with me. The primary bathroom connects, because we all want to do laundry and throw our clothes, to the closet, which is amazing and huge, tons of storage and space, but directly to, put in your laundry. This amazing backyard is perfect for gatherings with the covered back porch. You have nice green grass, no back neighbors, lots of privacy, perfect for entertaining and all your family fun.